फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 8 लेसन 1 द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड के अंग्रेजी के शब्दों को हिंदी उच्चारण में पढ़ेंगे, जिससे हम आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं। जिसके अंतर्गत हम लोग आज पेज नंबर 9 और 10 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 9 और ये है पेज नंबर 10। Before you read, there are some dates on period of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. The story you will read mentions are such date and event: a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. A roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces, one leg clumsily mended, scratch marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. Would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my work room of the back of the garage. I began work on it. On Christmas Eve, I removed the roll top completely and pulled pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 9 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 10 का रीडिंग करेंगे। Looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box, cello taped to the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper, and written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915, to be buried with me. When the time comes, I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box. But curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridports, डोरसेट। यहाँ पर गलती से डोरसेट लिखा गया है, इसे डोरसेट पढ़ा जाए। सकेगा भी नहीं, कैसा हो जाता है कभी कभी। Dorset, I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top, December 26, 1945. Dearest Connie, I write to you in a much happier frame of mind. Because something wonderful has just happened, I must tell. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 10 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं, क्योंकि हमारे चैनल पर आपको क्लास 3 से लेकर 12 तक के अंग्रेजी के स्टोरी और पोएम के शब्दों के हिंदी में लिखे हुए उच्चारण मिल जाएंगे, जिससे आप आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।